the journey beyond.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great on this Friday afternoon, September 26th. It's 6 o'clock p.m. in Central Time, and I'm ready to do another reading for you. If you like my readings, click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, click that bell. You know the drill. We got a lot of new subscribers last week. So if you're watching and you keep coming back, well, hit the subscribe button. Help the channel reach more people. Okay? I'm not always right. Spirit's not always right. Free will plays an important part of our lives. And time is fluid. So, my pendulum is giving hugs, and it's going to give us a little bit of love. There it is. And then we're going to get started. So, today what I want to talk about is the post-mortem exam. So I call upon my highest self, my trusted spirit team, and the angels of truth who are permitted to assist. I invoke the law of truth. Only truth may be spoken or revealed. I invoke the law of challenge. All beings must declare their name, purpose, and alignment before speaking. Only those aligned with truth and the highest good may remain. Protect this space with white golden light. Keep away distortion, deception, or interference. May only the highest truth flow through. Thank you. Our intention is to seek clarity about whether or not a post-mortem exam was performed on Charlie Kirk. To learn more about his injuries, the bullet, the wound, the trajectory, and the public statements that have come out in the media. We also ask about the apparent conflict between Utah law and the dispatch recording. So we're going to start with has a post-mortem exam already been completed on Charlie Kirk? No. Was it formally waived or blocked? No. Is it still pending or in progress? No. Okay. Will it be done? You're saying no to all my questions. So has it been completed? No. Is it in progress? You said no. Is it pending? You said no. Has it been waived? No. Has it been blocked? No. Is it unnecessary? Yes. Okay, let's go through the rest of the questions because that doesn't make any sense to me. Has the bullet been retrieved from the body? Yes. So the bullet was in Charlie's body. There was no exit wound or no entrance wound. Or the wound on his neck is the entrance wound. Is there any type of report that's in the hands of the investigators? Don't they need an autopsy report to press charges against the person that shot him and convict him? Is that not vital information? Yes. Did the bullet enter from the front of the body? No. Did it enter from the back? Did the bullet enter on the right or left side of his neck? So right 1, left 2. One. So it entered on his right side. Did the bullet exit on the right or left side? Right 1, left 2. Two, left. What was the angle of the entry? Choose J for shallow and glancing, T from downward from above, M from upward from below, H for straight horizontal. You're saying upward from below? Was the shooter elevated from Kirk, above Kirk? No. Was the shooter below Kirk? Yes. Was the shooter close to his tent? Yes. Was there a skirt surrounding the tent and the area enclosed off? Yes. Did the shooter point the gun from under the fencing around Kirk? So like almost on the ground. But somebody would have saw him. No. Was he on the right side? Yes. Was he right up against that little enclosure? Was it a he or a she? 1, he, 2, she. It was a he, okay. You have an age? How old was this person, approximately? Four. Four zero. 46. 46. So late 40s. Was there more than one entrance wound? No. Were multiple shooters involved? Was the bullet a standard handgun caliber? Yes. Was the bullet a rifle caliber? No. Was it military grade? No. What type of bullet was used? Choose Z for hollow point, Q for full metal jacket, Y for fragmenting specialty round, or W for other. acute Full Metal Jacket? Yes. Did the bullet remain intact? Yes. Did the bullet injure a major artery or vein? Yes. Which one? C for carotid, J for jugular, A for aorta, or O for other? Are you pointing to J? Are you pointing to J? Yes. So his jugular artery. Did the bullet injure the spinal cord? No. Did the bullet injure the lungs? No. Rate the severity of the internal injury. 1 on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being minimal, 5 being catastrophic. 5, catastrophic. What body part was most severely damaged? Just point to the first letter. The neck. How many centimeters inside the body did the bullet travel? One. Fifteen centimeters? No. Or are you going to yes? Yes? So 15 centimeters? Would that be the same as your neck size on a man's shirt? Yes. The TPUSA quote, "The bullet didn't go through. Doctor said it came within, or it just reached the skin, and that he was the man of steel." Did this originate from Andrew Colbert? Yes. Did a doctor ever say this? No. Why would Andrew Colvett say that if a doctor didn't tell him that? Who told him to say that? E. R. I. K. A. Erica, his wife. Okay, did a doctor tell her that? Did somebody else tell her to say that? Did she make it up? Where did it come from? O. N. L. Y. Only. S. H. E. Only she. K. N. O. W. S. Only she knows? You don't know the answer? My spirits are all-knowing. You have to know where the answer came from. Did she make it up? Yes. Did she ask Andrew Colvett to state it through TPUSA? What purpose did it serve? If no doctor told her that, and she made it up, and she only knows why, she cannot get a conviction of the person that killed her husband without the proper information. Did somebody else tell her to say that? No. Okay. Was it said to F, to inspire supporters, L, to downplay his death, N, to deflect from medical facts, or X for some other reason? And to deflect from medical facts. Okay? What medical facts were they deflecting from? That there was an entrance and an exit wound? Yes. And that the type of rifle that they said took the shot is not the rifle that took his life? Is the FBI the one pushing this narrative? And is Turning Point USA capitalizing on this? Yes. Utah law requires an autopsy in homicide cases. Was this law followed in CK's case? No. Was somebody paid off? Was somebody highly encouraged not to do it? Yes. The dispatch recording said the doctor called the TOD, signed the certificate. Did this mean K, no autopsy was performed? R, autopsy was delayed? V, comment was misunderstood, partial info? Or S, another explanation? Okay. No autopsy was performed. Yes, thank you. Did Charlie Kirk's body leave Utah and return to Arizona with J.D. Vance? Yes. Before an autopsy. Yes. Was the autopsy performed in Arizona instead? No. Wow. Okay. I thank my higher self, my spirit team, and the angels of truth for their guidance. I close this session, seal it in white golden light, and release all connections. Only truth remains, all else is released, so it is. Thank you. Lots of love.